If your 9 to 5 feels like a never-ending Monday, you're ready for freelancing. Freelancing is all about freedom. Choose your clients, set your rates, and work in your pajamas. But how do you start? First, find your passion. What are you good at? Writing, designing, coding. Next, build a killer portfolio. Show off your best work. Online platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are great places to start. Set up a professional profile. Use a friendly photo. Write a clear bio and list your skills. Remember, first impressions matter. Start small. Take on a few projects to get experience and reviews. Don't worry if you don't land a big gig right away. It's all part of the journey. Lastly, stay organized. Use tools like Trello or Asana to manage your tasks, and don't forget to take breaks. Burnout is real. Freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. Enjoy the ride, and soon enough, you'll be living the dream.